Alright guys, today what we have is this heater, the shop heater. It's not working, and I know the issue, I know the problem. We done it, and we're gonna fix this up. What happened here was, if you want to take a better look from this side, if you have a similar heater system in your shop or at home or somewhere in your garage, and it doesn't come on. Alright, the reason why that doesn't come on is because sometime in summer we had this meter changed, and they had to shut the gas off. When they shut the gas off, what happened was the pilot, the little fire that starts up this system, went off. Since the gas shut off, the fire eventually was gonna go off. And what we did was we never fired it back up. See that red valve on that pipe right there? We shut the gas off from going to this system at all, because we wasn't gonna fire up the pilot over the summer. It didn't need it, and we should have had to fix it then. But now it's cold, and it's almost end of October. We need the heat. So what we're gonna do in this is, on this side, it has a little panel. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna go grab a chair or something. I'm gonna jump up there, not jump up there, I'm gonna step in the chair, and I'm gonna open that little cover, the side cover right there. And if I need to, I might do it from here. I might take off the bottom cover. You don't have to take out the bottom cover because that's the way to access it, but all you have to do is take out this, and this whole panel should come off. And in the back, there's a switch up there, which I will show you once I get up there, because you have to press the switch, and then it's gonna let you light the pilot. But before anything, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the gas on from back there. I'm gonna open up this cover here, because I cannot get to the side. So I'd rather do it from right here. So I'm gonna take off this screw right here, and then the other one, I'm gonna try not to hit my camera. And once I have that out, I'm gonna try to get this panel out of here. All you have to do is try to yank it, pull it, and then you have to all you gotta do is try to go back a little bit. So you just gotta pull this thing back, and it should come out of its place. It's not the easiest way to do it, but I'm sure you can manage it. My camera is hitting, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna face the camera a little bit that way. And the toolbox I have there is blocking it, so that's another issue for me. You guys shouldn't have that issue. Alright, I'm gonna go get something. Up here, I don't know if you can see up here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist this valve, and then you're gonna be able to press this, and there's gonna be gas releasing there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna light that gas, but you're not gonna let this go for 5 to 10 seconds, and that pilot should be nice and lit. That's what I'm gonna do, okay? You might not be able to see it, but let me go get a lighter, and I'll try to attempt to do that. So I'll be right back. So what I did was, I lit the pilot up there. You see the fire zone now? All I did was I held this button up here, and I lit the pilot. And I held it for about 10 seconds to make it stay on. And the last thing what I'm gonna do is, I have to twist this valve back where I originally had it. Like right there. That's it. And I'm done. And I'm gonna lock up this system here.